In this video, I'd like to introduce you to different types of adapted or modified writing paper. I'd also like to give a quick disclaimer that I have two cats running around that like making a lot of noise. The first type of modified paper I really like using is called adapted or highlighted wide ruled paper. In this paper, you have the space between this middle dotted line and the bottom line highlighted or grayed out. So you would have to keep small lowercase letters like A, E, and C inside of this gray area. The second type of writing paper I really like using is called highlighted wide ruled paper. With this paper, the same principles apply, except that you have to fit your letters into a smaller space, so it is trickier to use. The third type of writing paper I like using is called highlighted graphing paper. The same principles apply. This is just very useful for kiddos that have difficulty putting appropriate spaces between words. I have all three of those papers uploaded to my website. You can print them off at any time. If you're unable to print off paper, I'm going to go into how to modify typical wide ruled paper that can be either in a notebook or loose leaf in order to make it easier for your kiddo to write on. So the first thing you want to do is grab a large highlighter and highlight every other line. With these highlights, right up here is the top, right here is the bottom, and this is supposed to be the dotted line. So you can write a dog ran fast. The most important part is to make sure to keep your small letters inside the highlight. If this is too big for your kiddo, you can grab a smaller highlighter and highlight the line just like we did before. Try to make it as fat as you can. And then you can write the same sentence, a dog ran fast. As you can see, this is the top, this is the bottom, and wherever that highlight ends is the middle kind of dotted line. And there you go.